Metal organic frameworks, MOFs, are promising materials for a wide range of applications in energy storage and conversion. However, the control of their shape and components is still a challenging challenge, especially due to the dependence of their chemical properties on individual component parts. Herein, we applied solve-a-thermal method to realize 2D nanoflake ensembles of Ni/Co and Ni/Co MOF with excellent performance in electrochemical performance optimizations in supercapacitors, and in the oxygen reduction reaction, ORR. This work is significant not only for achieving the optimized electrochemical performances, but also for demonstrating the wide application of 2D nanoflake ensembles in the design of energy storage and conversion devices.
This article is titled 2D MOF Nanoflake-Assembled Spherical Microstructures for Enhanced Supercapacitor and Electrocatalysis Performances and was authored by Huicong Xia, Jianan Zhang, Zhao Yang, Shiyu, Shihui, and Kun Su.
We are article.tv. Article links can be found in the video description.